Hello students, good morning all of you. So today we are going to start our new topic which is chapter 21 and the name of the chapter is concept of perimeter and area. So today we are going to start perimeter of the different plane figures. So see here I have already written some of the things. Let's see and discuss what it is. So today's topic is concept of perimeter. So first we are going to discuss the perimeter on plane figures. So what is plane figures? Let's see. So first plane figure are two-dimensional figure, okay, which are having length and breadth only. There is no height. So there are only two dimensions, that is called plane figures. So first what is perimeter? So let's see what is the definition of perimeter. The perimeter of plane figures is sum of the length of all sides of a plane figure. If anything plane figure is given to you, then the sum of all the sides, length of all the sides, we call it the perimeter of the given figure. Or the length of its boundary, means if a figure is given to you, then sum of the length of its boundary is called perimeter of the given figure. So this is the definition of perimeter. You have to write on your notebook first of all the definition. Now we are taking some of the plane figures. The first figure we are taking is a rectangle. So this is our rectangle. So first you know that what is rectangle. The rectangle is a plane figure whose opposite sides are equal. The length of opposite sides are equal. Means these two sides are opposite to each other. Their lengths are equal. If I am taking L here, L centimeter, meter, or what is the unit, whatever it is given. So this is also the same one. If I am taking breadth of this side, then this is also equals to the opposite side. So this is our plane figure which is rectangle. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? So see the definition. According to definition we can say that sum of the length of all sides की length का sum. So यहाँ पे आप length का sum करिए. So we can write it sum of the length of all the sides. So it is L. यहाँ से हमने मेजरिंग शुरू की, that is L, then B, we can write it B, plus, then again it is L, so L, and then it is B. So we have added all the sides, okay? So now see what formula is going to be here. आप चाहे तो डायरेक्टली ऐड करके भी आंसर दे सकते हो, बट देर इज अ पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मूला फॉर द पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. सो वी हैव टू मेड दिस फॉर्मूला फ्रॉम हियर ओनली. सो 1 or 2. So how many lengths? 2 lengths. And how many breadths? That is 2 breadths. We can take 2 common from here because 2 is on the both the sides of the plus. So we can take common, then multiply. What left here? Length, and there is plus here, and what is left here? B. So your particular formula to find out perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. I hope you understand the formula, how we are going to use it. If you are taking any example from here, if we are taking length is equals to 6 centimeter and breadth is equals to 4 centimeter. So how you can find out the perimeter? We are going to use the formula of perimeter of rectangle. So let's check it. Perimeter of rectangle. 2 into length plus breadth. Or you can use this also. If sometimes we forget the formula, then we can use this also, sum of all the sides. But here we having formula, so we can put the value inside the formula. 2 into